Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making sure your payment method fits the country you want. You can add a local card or Google Play balance. Once done, back up any app data or check subscriptions because switching can change available purchases. Now open the Google Play app, tap your profile picture, select Settings, then General, and choose Account and Device Preferences. This puts you right where the country option lives, so you can take the next deliberate step. Next, find Country and Profiles and look for the new country option Google shows based on your IP or payment method. Select it. You may need to add a local payment method to verify residency, so have card or Google Play balance ready. Once you confirm, Google creates or switches to a country profile tied to that country. Make sure you read any on-screen notices about content changes. This middle step is where verification and payments lock the change in place. To finish, restart Google Play and scan the store for new prices, apps, or availability. Some items change immediately. If the country didn't switch, clear the Play Store cache and data, or remove and re-add your Google account and retry the process. This fixes most syncing issues. Make sure you also remember Google allows one country change per year, so time any purchases or subscriptions wisely and verify payment methods afterward to avoid interruptions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.